In this video, I will show you how to add an Instagram chat button to your Shopify website quickly and easily. So people can go ahead and they can click into this button. They can click chat on Instagram right here, and it will take them over to Instagram where they can go ahead and drop you a message. The first thing that we need to do is open up Elfsight. This is the tool that we will be using to build the widget, and I've linked it in the description below. Go ahead and click on that link and it will take you straight over to this page. This link also ensures that everything connects properly when we embed it. From here, just enter your email into this box to sign up for free, and then on this next page, create your password. Just like that, we are signed up and ready to go. Okay, so from here, once we are signed up and we now have access to Elfsight, the widget that we are looking for is the Instagram chat widget. So to find this, we want to go up to search widgets right here, and we can just search for Instagram. And right here, we have the Instagram chat. So this is the widget that we want to click into. In here, it's now going to ask us to choose a template. So you can see we have a bunch of different templates that say different things, like this one says consulting, this one says onboarding. Realistically, it doesn't matter which one of these you choose because everything is customizable. The layout, the color here at the top, the color on this button, the image, what this message says. So you can choose any of these, and then we just click continue with this template. In here, we then want to go ahead and add in your Instagram username. So for example, we will just use this, Elfsight people. So we can copy this. And in here, this is very important. We want to go ahead and add the @ symbol. And just like that, our Instagram is now going to be connected. So it takes us to the right place. To make sure of this, to make sure that it's working, we can go to this chat icon right here and click on this. And you just want to make sure that it takes you over to the right account, and it takes you into the DMs area, just like this, where we can now message the account that you want to message. Awesome. I don't know why they don't add this @ symbol. They really should. It's important. This needs to be there. Anyway, now we can go down to content, and in the bubble icon, we can go ahead and choose what we actually want to show here. So this is not the bubble actually. I'll show you. This is the bubble right here. So we can click in, we can upload from computer if we would like to, or we can go in and we can choose from one of these library options. But Instagram is definitely the best logo to have here. We can also choose some bubble text if we would like. So we might say message us on Instagram, just like this. From here, we can then choose the image that we would like to show in this window right here, like the profile icon. So just set this to your Instagram profile icon. We can then change the name. So I'll change this to be Riley Holden. And then right here, we can go in and we can choose a caption. So whether this says online, whether this says how long you typically reply in, or whether you want to put a custom message here, you can choose that. And then for the welcome message, we can customize what this welcome message is going to say. We just click in and edit this. We can also customize this button right here and what this is going to say. If we want to show the icon, if we want to change the text, we can do that. We can also come into settings and we can change the position of this. So whether this is floating, and this is the one I recommend. These other two are going to essentially have it embedded on the site so that it doesn't move and it's its own section. We can choose the alignment and where we want to show this. We can also go in here and choose the chat display. So what pages this is displayed on, what devices, what visitors, and date and time. We can choose when this is automatically going to open the chat if you would like to. So we can go ahead and set that up right there, like how long they need to be on the page or how far they need to scroll before this opens itself. And we can also go to notifications and we can choose if we want a notification bubble on this badge right there. And then the last thing that we can do is we can go down and we can edit the appearance. So in here, we can change all of the different colors and things like this. So just play around with this and make sure that it looks perfect for your website. Now, once you have done this and you are ready to put this on your Shopify store, all we then need to do is click on publish. And then Elfsight is going to take us over to this screen where we can now choose a plan. Now, the plan I recommend getting started out with is this free plan right here, because this is going to allow you to get this on your website, to test this out, to get your customers actually using this. And then later down the line, if you want to upgrade to one of these paid plans, you can do so at any time. If you want more widgets or if you want more website views, you can go ahead and upgrade. But for now, just select the free plan right here. And once that is selected, Elfsight is then going to give us this piece of code. So all we need to do with this code is click on copy code, and then we can go over to the Shopify editor. And inside of here, all we need to do is click on add section. And the section that we want to add is custom liquid. So we can go ahead and drop that in. And then right here in liquid code, we just click into this box, paste in the code that we just copied. And after a few seconds, we should see the Instagram icon pop up. And that is how you can add Instagram chat to Shopify.